Hello, Corbett Prep, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Chef Chris. Today's recipe is an all-time favorite that kids all over the world love: chocolate chip cookies. As a reminder, the ingredients and directions for this recipe can be found in the description below the video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will need the following ingredients: a half a cup of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a cup of butter, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, a half of a teaspoon of baking soda, and 8 ounces of semisweet chocolate chips. Begin by melting the butter in the microwave. Add the butter to the bowl of sugar and salt and whisk until a paste forms that is free of any lumps. Next, add the vanilla extract and the egg and continue whisking until well combined. The mix should be nice and smooth. Now we can add in our flour and baking soda and begin to fold the mixture together using a spatula. We only want to mix until the dough is combined. Be careful not to overmix. Now it's time to add the chocolate chips. Mix them in until they are evenly incorporated throughout the dough. Cover the bowl and place in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Now is a good time to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now we can begin to scoop the dough onto the baking pan. It's best to use parchment paper, but I needed to get more, so I'll use aluminum foil instead. I'm using a small scooper, but you can use a spoon as well. Place the dough about 2 inches apart. You may need to use 2 pans to fit all the dough. Bake the cookies for 12 to 14 minutes or until the edges just start to develop cracks. Remove from the oven, let them cool, and enjoy. I let my daughter be the taste tester for this batch of cookies, and she loved them. Be sure to seal them in an airtight container to keep them fresh. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make chocolate chip cookies. This is Chef Chris reminding you that you are what you eat, so eat well to be well. See you next time.